Let's talk about implicit functions. In this case, we're going to find for the derivative of x squared minus x squared y plus 8y squared which is equal to 0. Ang gagamitin po natin ay ang implicit differentiation. So, simple lang. First, take the derivative of the first term. That's equals to 2 times 1. Tatandaan, pag nawalang number, meron ditong 1. That is to become 2 minus 1. Therefore, ang matitira na lang is x. Therefore, we have 2x. Now, for the second, just simply consider this as the first term or f of x. This is the second term or g of x. And therefore, ang gagamitin po natin ay ang product rule. According to product rule, we have here f of x multiplied by g of x, or the first derivative of g of x, plus g of x multiplied by the first derivative of f of x. Now, since this is our f of x and this is our g of x, ayon sa product rule, kukupain lang muna natin yung f of x that's equals to negative x squared. Then after na makuha po natin yung kanyang f of x, ang next natin is first derivative of g of x. Instead of writing the first derivative, ang ilalagay po natin yung kanyang derivative itself. So that's y prime. So ang ipapalit natin sa first derivative or that's equals to y prime. Then, next is to Gar's add our operation. We have to take for the derivative of your f of x. So that's equals to 2 times negative x. That's equals to negative 2x. Of course, we simply subtract 1, therefore this will become 2x na lang po. We have here the first term. Then we simply copy your g of x. That is your g of x. That's equals to y. Now for the third term, we will apply the chain rule. According to chain rule, we have first to take for the first derivative of f of x and simply multiply 2 times 8. That's equals to 16. Then in this case, we need to find for the first derivative of g of x. So g of x, remember na sinabi ko po kanina na pag may hinahanap natin yung g of x, we just simply write this as y prime or the derivative of the first derivative of g of x. Then, tapos na tayo sa representation. Next is to separate now, transpose for those na meron pong y prime at saka yung wala pagsasamahin natin. Iwan na natin sa left side yung may y prime, ito po, at saka ito may iwan. Then yung negative 2x and positive 2x, malilipat sa kabila. And therefore, it will become in that form. So, negative, naging positive, positive, naging negative. Then, pagkatapos nun, we take for the common factor. Kung mapapansin natin, meron silang common factor na first derivative or y prime. So, ilalabas po natin sila sa parentheses as our common factor. So, ang nangyari, we have here now, our common factor is y prime. Ang natira po sa loob is x squared minus y prime, or 16y. Then, divide both sides by these numbers so that x na lamang po yung ating pong matitira. So, we are going to divide that by x squared minus 16y, the same process, then cancelled out. Then your final answer is equals to, the first derivative is equals to negative 2x plus 2xy all over negative x squared plus 16y. Anyway, pwede pa naman po natin ito factor pero it's okay. Pwede na po yun. If factor natin yan, pwede rin po. Have a nice day.